Thank you for watching our first episode on learn how to get TikTok Live Studio on your computer. In our second episode, we are going to learn how to install it on our computer. In this case, our Windows computer. So first, you need to locate where you downloaded your file to, and then you open it. So you double click on your file. You can see my file here. And then I double click, and then you click on install. And then you follow the process. So it will be downloading the TikTok Live Studio application. Just sit back and watch it download the necessary files. And when you are done, you have your TikTok Live Studio on your computer. Because I have it on my computer, I'm not going to finish or wait for it to download the whole file. I'm going to skip this session and guide you on how to log in and how to set it up. Thank you for joining me.